Hello my students, how are you? Grade 5. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 5, model letter E. Look at with me about question number 1. First, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the variable in the equation 2.3m equal 4.7 is, the variable here will be unknown, it will be m. Choose B. Choose letter B. M here is the variable. Okay, question number 2. 45.6 plus s equal 101/105. Then what is the value of s? To find the value of s, you want to find the difference between two numbers. Right, 100.01 subtract by 45 and 6 tenths. Right here, 100.01 subtract by 45.6. We can put 0 here. 1 minus 0 equal 1. 0 minus 6 we can do it, so we must put 1 from left hand side. Okay, put 1. It will be 0. 10 minus 1 9. 10 minus 1 9. It will be 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Then S will be 54 and 41 hundredths. Choose letter C. Second question, number 3. Identify the variable in this equation. The variable here will be A. A here we call it the variable. And we can find the value of A equal 5 plus 3 equal 8 and 4 plus 7 11. Then the value 11.8, but he won't find the variable. When variable, the answer will be A. A we call this the variable. Number 4, write the equation using variable to represent this situation. The sum of two numbers is 100. It's 10. Sorry, the number or the sum of two numbers is 10. And one of them is 5.3. And we can write the equation here: x plus 5.3 equal 10. Okay, x plus 5.3 equal 10. The first number will be x, and second 5.3. X plus 5.3 equal 10. Next question. One house is 35.5 meters tall, while another house is 29 and 25 meters tall. Write the equation that expresses the difference between the heights of two houses. You want to find the equation. Write x equals the difference between two lengths. The first will be the greater 35.5 subtract by 29 and 25 hundredths. We must put 0 here to find the difference. Equal parts. Okay, 0 minus 5 we can do it. Put 1, it will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Put 1, it will be 15 minus 9 equal 6. The answer here 6 and 25 hundredths meter. It's the distance between the difference between them. Choose the correct answer. The variable in this equation, it will be S. S here we call this the variable. Choose letter E. Number 2. 46.6 plus L equal 100.1. Find the value of L. L equal, we can write 100.01 subtract by 46 and 6 tenths. We must put 0 here to find the difference. 1 minus 0 1, and 0 minus 6 we can do it. Put 1, it will be 0. 10 be 9. 10 be 9, it will be 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 9 minus 6 equal 3. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Then we have 53 and 41 hundredths. Next question. Second, identify the variable here. In the equation, the variable here will be L. L here is the variable. Next question, number 4. Write an equation using a variable to represent the situation. The sum of two numbers is 11. and one of them 7.5. Then we can write x, the first number, subtract or plus 7.5, it's equivalent 11. And then we can find the number x equal 11 subtracted by 7.5. If we put half here, it will be 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Then we can write 3.5 in the equation. Okay. Next example. Number 5. One house is 33.5 meters tall, while another house is 40 and 25 meters tall. Write equations that express the difference between two heights, two houses. We can write x equals the difference between them. Right, 40 and 25 hundredths subtracted by 33 and 5 tenths. We can put 0 here to find the difference. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5, we can do it. Put 1, it will be 10. Put 1, 9, and it will be 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 3 minus 3, 0. Then x here will be 6 and 75 hundredths. Next question. Number 1. The variable in the equation 10 subtract by 0.5 equal y plus 3 y. The answer here will be y. Choose letter D. Number 2. 55.6 plus m equal 100 and 100ths. Then what is the value of m? We can find the difference between two numbers. Write 100 and 100 subtract by 55 and 6 tenths. We must equal parts here. Put 0 equal 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 6, we can do it, so we must put 1. It will be 0. 10 minus 1, 9. It will be 10 minus 1, 9. It will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Then the length will be 44 and 41 hundredths. Letter D. Next question. Second. Identify the variable in this equation. The variable here will be z. Write an equation using variables to represent the situation. The sum of two numbers is 35 and one of them is 10.01. We can write x plus x raised to the first number plus 10.01 equal 35. The value of x equals 35 subtract by 10.01. We can equal parts here. In x equal 0 minus 1, we can't do it. But 1, it will be 4. It will be 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 0, 4. And write 3. But this equation, he asked about the equation, okay? Next question. Number 5. One house 25.5 meters tall, while another house 31 and 25 hundredths tall. Write the equations that express the difference between the heights of two houses. We can write the longest first 31 and 25 hundredths subtract by 25.5 hundredths. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5, we can do 12 minus 5, 7. And number 1, 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Then x equal 5.75. Okay, next question. Okay, let's finish the questions now.